guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to play IQ and Logic Trivia Challenge. It's 15 question. I will give you time for each question to answer, okay? So, let's get started with the first question. Look at this logic shape. For this one, if we must replace this question mark with a shape or a symbol, what is the most appropriate symbol you would choose? I will give you time. Okay. We have triangle, two triangles, squares, dots, two dots, and here the answer is three dots. Okay. For the second question, did you see the sequence of numbers? It's 2, 6, 12, 20, and 30. What is the next number that's following 30? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 22, 6, 20, 30. What do you think, guys? The next number then following 30 is 42. Why? Because for each number we increase 2 each time. Then plus 4, then plus 6, then plus 8, and then plus 10, and finally after 30 we add 12 to become 42. If a grandfather clock takes exactly 5 seconds to strike 6 o'clock, 6 strikes, how long will it take to strike 12 o'clock? 12 strikes. If a grandfather clock takes exactly 5 seconds to strike 6 o'clock, 6 strikes, how long will it take to strike 12 o'clock? 12 strikes. I will give you time. The answer is 11 seconds. The time is spent in the intervals between the strikes. 6 strikes with 5 intervals, meaning each interval is 1 second. 12 strikes have 11 intervals, taking exactly 11 seconds. Okay. So the next question is, imagine a standard triangle pointing directly to the right. This triangle pointing to the right. If you rotate it with 90 degrees clockwise, horizontally, like mirror image. Which direction does the sharp point face now? If you rotate it 90 degrees and then you flip it horizontally like a mirror image, what do you think the sharp end of this triangle will be in which direction? Think. So the answer will be down. It will point down. Flipping it horizontally leaves it pointing down. Rotation pointing right, 90 degrees clockwise, point down, mirror it horizontally, reflects left, right, so it remains pointing down. Okay, it will stay pointing down because the mirror image will not affect the sharp of the triangle that pointing down. It will only affect the right and left. So when you rotate it clockwise, okay, it was here and you rotate it clockwise with 90 degree, it will point the sharp of the triangle down like this shape. Let's go to the next question. Why I'm saying the second and every time. Sorry for this, guys. Identify the missing letter that completes this specific alphabetical sequence. A, D, G, J, and a missing letter here for this pattern or this sequence of alphabetics. What's the most appropriate letter that must fit here? Think, guys, think. I need you to relax and think. A, D, G, and J. And the answer will be M. The sequences skip exactly 2 letters each time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, I, and M. I. So, let's continue with question number 6, which is you have 9 identical looking gold coins. You have 9 identical looking gold coins, but no one is counterfeit and weighs slightly less than the others using a traditional balance scale. What is the minimum number of weighting required? Guarantee finding the lighter counterfeit coin. I will let you read the whole question. Okay. You have 9 identical looking gold coins, but one of counterfeit. One is a counterfeit and weighs slightly less than the others. Using traditional balance scale, what is the minimum number of weightings required for guarantee finding the larger counterfeit coin? is minimum number of weightings required. 2 weightings, okay? 2 weightings. Divide the coins into 3 groups of 3. Weight Group A against Group B. If they balance, the fake is in Group C. If not, it's in the lighter group. Take the lighter group of 3. Weight 1 coin against 1 coin. If the balance remaining unweighted coin is the fake. This is a very good question. Let's go to the next question, guys. Question number 7. Look to this 3 times 3 square grind. Okay, how many total squares of any size? Look at this, any size square. How many squares in this shape? I think it's easy, guys. But you have to focus, you have to focus. You have to focus here. You have to focus. Okay. Focus on this. Focus, 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 focus. Focus, 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 focus. Well, let's count them with you, okay? So these are 9, and the bigger one is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it's 14. I think I missed one, but I think it's 14 actually. Yes, it is 14. I really haven't seen the answer until now, sorry. So 14 squares. The 1 times 1 is 9. 4, 2 times 2, and 1 large. Okay. When we add them. Well, guys, I think this is the end of the video. If you want a part 2, just tell me in the comments. Now relax and have a good night.